Hello everyone, this video is going to present on how I cook a beef ribs caldereta. The first step is to place the beef ribs in the container and marinate it overnight. You can mix thoroughly to ensure the part of the meat is well coated and flavorful. Cover the container and let ribs marinate. Next, once it's marinated, transfer the beef ribs along the soy sauce into a pressure cooker. Boil it for an hour and make sure to put enough water for not to dry and using the leftover marinade container. This will help tenderize the meat as it cooks. While the ribs are cooking, prepare the vegetables. Slice the garlic, onion for sauté later. Then slice the bell pepper, potatoes and carrots. Place all the prepared vegetables in a clean bowl and ready to use. After the beef was already boiled for an hour, it is ready. Heat an oil in a frying pan. Start the frying for the carrots and potato first, since they take longer time to soften. Once they are cooked, remove them from the oil. And fry the bell pepper briefly and set this aside. Next, saute the onions and the garlic in the same pan until the fragrance release. Then add the boiled beef ribs to the pan and let them simmer for 25 minutes. Together with the garlic and the onion. Stir in the liver spread and combine it well with the meat to enrich the flavor. Then you can allow to mix the simmer for about another more minutes and add the tomato sauce before adding the fried carrots, potatoes, and bell pepper. Mix everything thoroughly and let it cook until the flavor melt and then the vegetables are tender. And last part, for an added layer of richness to the taste, grate some cheese and then adding it to the mixture before you serve. And now you can enjoy your delicious beef ribs caldereta. Say hi.
Hi.
Peace out.